In a lush, verdant jungle, where the air was thick with the scent of exotic spices, lived a leopard unlike any other. Known as the Leaping Leopard, he was renowned for his extraordinary agility and grace. One day, the Leaping Leopard found himself faced with a daunting challenge. A majestic waterfall, shimmering in the sun, stood between him and a delicious, juicy deer carcass, tantalizingly close but out of his reach. The Leaping Leopard pondered his options. He could wait for the rainy season to come, when the waterfall would recede, but that would mean a long and arduous wait. Alternatively, he could try to leap the waterfall, a feat never before achieved by any animal, let alone a leopard. With a determination burning in his eyes, the Leaping Leopard decided to take the risk. He approached the waterfall, his muscles coiled and ready. With a mighty roar, he leaped, his body arcing through the air. The leap was a spectacular sight to behold. The water cascaded around him as he soared through the air, his powerful legs propelling him forward. Landing on the other side, he stood triumphant, the deer carcass now within his grasp. The tale of the Leaping Leopard spread throughout the jungle, inspiring all those who heard it. His courage and determination served as a reminder that sometimes, the impossible becomes possible when one dares to leap. The Leaping Leopard, with his newfound fame, continued to roam the jungle, always ready for the next challenge, always ready to leap. His story serves as a testament to the power of courage, determination, and the indomitable spirit of the animal kingdom.